Hello students, welcome to Visionary Heights. Today we are going to discuss very important question from the real numbers. Now try to solve this question. This question is very important for the boards. From the real numbers, for sure you will have this question in your boards. And if your concepts are not clear, it will be very difficult for you to solve this question. So I would recommend just pause the video, read the question carefully and just try to solve it. Hope you have paused the video and you have tried solving it. Let me explain it. See, the question is about that the sum of two numbers is given as this one, 1 to 1, 5. Their HCF is also given. You have to tell me how many such number of pairs are possible. Okay, before we solve this question, one thing should be very clear in our mind. First thing is, what is HCF? HCF means, suppose two numbers are given x and y, and if I am saying their HCF is 5, what does it mean? HCF is 5 means x has a factor as 5 and y also has one of its factor as 5. Right? Means x is also divisible by 5 and y is also divisible by 5. So indirectly, whenever the HCF of two numbers is given, I can write this number as 5a and this number as 5 times something. I don't know what is being multiplied, but it is x is a multiple of 5 and y is also a multiple of 5, right? Because HCF is 5. 5 is a factor of x and y. Hope this is clear. If this is clear, and I'm not saying it is a factor, saying it is the highest common factor, means what can be common in these two numbers is highest, it is 5. Except 5, there will be nothing common here. Okay, if nothing is common here, it means indirectly I am saying A and B are co-primes. Alright, so every time if anyhow in any question I am given that there are two numbers, suppose my numbers and x and y, and their HCF is given as something, suppose it is given as 10. Okay, so how to let the numbers? I will let x as 10a and y as 10b. Clear? And such that a and b are co-primes. Co-primes means those numbers which don't have anything common except 1. Means only 1 will be the highest common between a and b. Alright. Now come to your question part. See what is given. The sum of two numbers is given as 1 to 1, 5. Okay. Let the number be x and y. So x plus y is given as 1 to 1, 5. Any doubt? Okay. Second thing is given as their HCF is 81. Means what is common in these two numbers, that is 81. And that should be the highest common. So I can let x as 81a and y be 81b. Okay. Now see, if I have to add these two numbers, I can take 81 common. No? Two numbers are there. This and this. What is common here? 81. No? I can take 81 common and I can write it as a plus b, and where a and b, they are co-primes, means they don't have anything common except 1. Alright. So what will be the value of a and b now? So a plus b equals to, I can shift this 81 to this side, it will come in division, right? So what answer I will be getting? Divide by 9. 9 ones are 9. What I have? 135, then 9 ones are 9. It will be 15, right? So it means I'm getting a plus b as 15. What does it mean? It means two numbers I have to find which should be co-prime and their sum is 15. I have to tell how many possible pairs are there, right? So let's check. For a plus b to be 15, a can be 1. Okay. B can be 14. I'm getting 15 as answer, right? A can be 2. B as 13 A as 3, B as 12, A can be 4, B as 11, A can be 5, B as 10, okay, A can be 6, B as good 9, A can be 7 and B can be 8. Okay, after that there will be repetition 8, 7 and all those things. But the very important thing here is A and B should be co-prime. If I check this first number, the common is 1 only. Between 1 and 14, what is the highest common factor? 1, right? Between 2 and 13 also 1 is the HCF. Good. 3 and 12, 3 is the highest common. So I can't take this number, right? 4 and 11, again only 1 is common. 5 and 10, 5 is common, so I can't take this. 6 and 9, 3 is common, I can't take this. 7 and 8, this is possible. So how many pairs are possible? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 possible pairs are there. Clear? Caution is really very important. If you are unable to solve it, just solve it one more time, right? Just check out the solution from the video, solve it one more time. Let's check one more question based on the same type. What we have here is, you have to again find the number of possible pairs, okay? But this time the product of two numbers is given, that is for 4500, and HCF is given as 15, right? So two numbers are there, it means let the number be X and Y. HCF is given as 15. HCF is given as 15. So what number we can let? Good, 15A and 15B. Now they are saying us that the product of two numbers is 4500. It means if I multiply 15A into 15B, I am getting 4500, right? 15 and 15, I can write it as 15 into 15 into A into B, right? I will get 4500. If I shift these two, 15 into 15 to another side, okay, they will come in the denominator. Just write them, okay. Now just cancel out 15, 3s are, then 15, 2s are, right? It means A into B I am getting as 20. Now the same thing, I have to find two numbers A and B such that A and B are co-primes, because already it is given that their highest common was 15, that I have already taken. So whatever are the numbers left, they will be the co-primes. So I have to search for two numbers such that their multiplication is 20, and after that I will select only those pairs in which A and B both are co-primes. Okay. So A and B both are 20. It means 1 into 20. This gives me 20. 2 into 10 also gives me 20. Then 4 into 5 gives me 20. If I check the next one, it will be 5 into 4 only, right? Now the point is A and B should be co-prime. They should be co-prime. If I check 1 and 20, what is common? 1 is common, it means they are co-prime. 2 and 10, here 2 is common, so they are not co-prime, right? 4 and 5, again co-prime, nothing is common, just 1. So how many pairs possible? 2 pairs are possible. I hope the question is clear. Hope you liked the video. If yes, then hit the like button, subscribe the channel and follow for more such videos. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.